Does the underside of your desk look like this, or worse? Well, I've got a solution to help you get all your cables organized. I'm using these Oosofitt under-desk cable management trays I bought from Amazon. And in this video, I'll show you how to install them step by step on my standing desk. With a 15-pound capacity, it will be more than enough for all my cables and power strips. These come in a 2-pack and the wire baskets have a really sturdy feel to them. I'm confident these won't bend. It has holes for mounting on the bottom of the desk, plus it has holes on the side for vertical mounting like on a wall or a side of a cabinet. Before I drill into my desk, I'm going to measure my drill bit and mark it with tape to keep me from drilling all the way through. To help with positioning, I use painter's tape to help line things up. This way I can make temporary marks of where I need to drill. I've also detached my desktop to make it easier to get these shots so you can see what I'm doing. You could just flip your desk over, but for me this is actually easier because now I don't have to work around the motor and leg brackets on my standing desk. And when I start drilling, you can see why I put tape on the drill bit. I only want to go part way into the wood, and this helps me know when to stop. The last step is to attach the cable basket with the included screws. So this is going on the bottom of my desk, but as mentioned before, these can also be mounted to a vertical surface as well, and Oosofitt does include wall anchors if needed. As you can see, installation is really pretty easy. And because this is a 2-pack, I'll quickly mount the second cable tray to finish the job. One thing to know is that you need to measure the space under your desk. With these 2 cable trays side by side, I was able to barely fit it between the table leg brackets under my desk. My standing desk isn't very wide, but I'm really glad I got both trays to fit. Once it's done, I'll reattach my tabletop and get my desk all set up again. So here are the power strips and adapters that I want off the floor. There's definitely low clearance with the cable tray openings, but everything slips in okay. And because of the open design, I can plug cables in easily. After routing my wires and getting my computer set up, you'll be able to see how much nicer this looks with everything organized. Here's the mess I had before. And here's what it looks like afterwards. That's definitely a huge difference. I've listed the cable management trays in the description so it's easy for you to find. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.